Hi guys, it's NanaYaa Tresses here. So if you watched my previous video, you know how to take down your hair properly. Now, we're gonna learn about how to do a proper hot oil treatment. Yes, so that juicy hair you saw has been beaten up by the rain, because shout out to June-July weather, it's always raining. Anyway, if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, join the family, also give me a thumbs up. So what you're gonna need is my DIY hair growth oil or any oil of your choice, a mug or bowl, ceramic bowl, and of course some hot water. Yes, pour it all up. So as you can see, the steam is really hot. Please be careful so that you do not burn yourself. At all times, make sure that you are putting this mug away from you whenever you are doing any form of sudden movements, because it's gonna burn you. So please be careful. Just watch this. I was shaking it so vigorously, and then yep, I burned myself. Anyway, so I was able to shake it off camera, and then I set it in the mug for some time. Yes, it's still pretty hot, and yes, I got a couple of burns on my thighs, but we'll survive. Anyway, I'm going to leave for some few minutes and then come back and show you how I get it started. So now we're back. My hair is ready to receive it. So there are two methods of doing a hot oil treatment: doing it with dry hair or wet hair. As you can see, I have some accomplices to help me. Yes, some hair scrunchies and hair ties. A section of my hair off camera. I'm going to use this, old perfume body splash bottle I had lying around. You can use any spray bottle of choice. Then I pour some of the hot water in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the glare. Anyway, you can see the steam. Yes, it's hot to the touch, so please be careful. I'm going to lightly mist my hair where it's slightly damp. Mind you, do not let it be soaking wet. Let it be slightly damp. Okay, slightly damp. Don't go overboard, or else you're just gonna have a cos 90 job. And I'm gonna keep going all over the section. Then after I'm done making sure that my hair feels damp, the entire section, I'm now gonna grab my oil. As you can see, I'm still finger detangling through it to make sure that there are no knots and tangles while I put the oil in my hair. That's actually one of the reasons why I slightly misted my hair. Yeah, I'm going to grab the oil and then give it a really good shake as well, because it tends to sediment with time. Then I'm going to open it up. Yes, feels good, huh? It's still warm to the touch because it was sitting in the hot water. I'm going to pour some in my hands and then rub it in between my palms, and then go over the entire section of my hair from the roots to the ends. I'm focusing on the roots as well, because that's where the line of demarcation between my relaxed hair and my new growth is. I'm also going to be focusing very much on the ends, because they are the old guys. They need extra love and care and attention. So I'm going to go over the entire section. Now after I'm done with the entire section, I'm going to now go in bit by bit in smaller sections again to make sure I do not miss the middle portions, or else I'd have all the outer portions feeling like they've gotten the hot oil treatment, meanwhile the inner portions are missing out on the action. So I'm going to go into the same part again, making sure that I've left my oil in the hot water for some time. Give it a good shake again, open it up. Don't mind me, I get crazy with this sometimes. And then pour the oil in my palms, rub it in my hands again, go through the entire section from the roots to the tip once again to make sure that I am coating my entire hair with the oil. I'll repeat this again so that you guys can see how it's done. But if you enjoy how the video is going so far, be sure to give me a very big thumbs up. It helps me in the algorithm. Also, just leave me a comment, any form of random comment at all. It helps me in the algorithm as well. Also, if you haven't subscribed, come on, join the family. We like to do videos like this twice every week, sometimes even more, but mostly on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So yes, as I'm going through, I'm also finger detangling. This helps to evenly distribute the oil throughout the hair, as well as to make sure that if there are any knots and tangles that are hiding in the crevices, because sometimes it happens, they're gonna get got. So after I'm done with that section, I'm going to put that away, come back into the big section again, split it into another smaller section. Oh, my neighborhood is noisy at times. And then go back into the same portion, clip it away, get the oil, rub it through my hands, put it all over my hair, and repeat the same action. Anyway, how are you guys doing? Do you guys like how my videos are going so far? What other topics would you like me to cover for you with regards to hair care? Yes, I really do enjoy hearing from you guys and what you guys want to see more of. Please do not forget your line of demarcation. Try and get as close to it as possible, because at that junction it's easy for your hair to just break off. So make sure that the hot oil treatment gets to that point, as well as the ends of your hair. I'm going to do that all over my hair and then come back. Okay, and we're back. Yes, I've gone through the entire head of hair. I repeated the same thing. I didn't want this to be such a long video than it already is. Now I'm going to go to the roots of the hair, because it is a hair growth oil after all. Oh, I'm spitting. Anyway, I want to put it all over my scalp so I can give myself a scalp massage. Yes, I like to do things simultaneously, get as many benefits as I can. I'm going to make sure that the oil coats my scalp, give myself a very, very good scalp massage, whilst my actual hair also gets the goodness. My scalp is also getting the goodness. And because of the amazing ingredients of the oil, it helps with dandruff, it also helps to promote healthy hair growth, it also helps to get rid of any form of scalp infections, because of the numerous herbs and spices that I use in the oil, as well as the numerous oils that I use in the DIY hair growth oil. If you want a full video on how to prepare it, the link is going to be linked down in the description box, or you can just check it out on my channel. I have a full video on how to prepare it. Even though yes, this is updated, I'll have to update you guys because I keep throwing new things in there. Anyway, after I'm done doing the entire thing, I'm going to try and clip my hair away so I can put a shower cap over it. So I'm going to clip the ends that it stays up, take my shower cap, and then cover my head with it to trap the heat. Now you can do this at night before you go to bed, if your wash day is the next day, or you can do it just a few hours before your wash day itself. So I'm also going to cover my head with a towel to further trap the heat, and then I'm just going to go around. I actually did this in the morning of my wash day. So after I'm done covering my head, I'm just going to go around, do a couple of chores. On this day I actually had laundry to do. Please pardon my dogs, they get fussy at times. So I'm going to trap the heat in there so that my hair can get all the goodness. Thank you for watching. I'm so grateful to you guys. Be sure to subscribe, join the family. What other videos you want to see, comment them down below. I love to hear from you. As always, NanaYaa Tresses, I love you. Be sure to subscribe. Links to purchase the oil is going to be in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a big like. I love you. Bye.